Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be comparing two types of bidets. We have here the one from Tushy and we have one here from Luxe. What's the difference? How do they work? Let's find out together. Welcome back everyone to another video, and like I said, today I'm going to be comparing two different types of bidet. We got here the Tushy bidet with the bamboo handle, and we also have a brand new Luxe Bidet, which we are going to be unboxing together, and we're going to be comparing prices, we're going to be comparing installation, and of course, how do they actually work. So before we actually get on that, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and make sure you guys like it as well. And if you want to follow me on social media, you guys can go and check me out at Javier Ortiz NY. And no further ado, let's just talk about some shit. So before we actually get started, I want to tell you a little tea. So about a year ago, I actually posted this video right here, and basically it's just me showcasing how I install my new Tushy into my bathroom, and kind of showcase the installation and the step-by-step of how you should do it, etc. And I really enjoy it. So around 8 months ago, I moved into a new house, and this brand called Luxe Bidet were like, hey, we love your video that you did with Tushy. Would you mind trying out our new bidet? We would love to send you one. You don't have to make a video, you don't have to post anything, we just want to send it to you. And you know what, if you do post, it is what it is. And that was approximately 8 months ago. It's been 8 months since they do that, and it's literally just been hanging in there. And obviously I have not installed my Tushy yet, because I just been so all over the world, like, and by all over the world, meaning like in a whole different planet. I just been dealing with, when moving somewhere is actually not as easy as it seems. You want to do the decoration and things like that. For some reason, I just never got into this, and here we are finally getting into this 8 months later. So hey, better late than never. So we are going to be, like I said, comparing these two today, because I think this is finally the time for me to install this. All right, so back to that video that I posted 8 months ago. Actually, I kind of want to show it to you because basically it's very self-explanatory about how this Tushy bidet works. So let me just play that right now for you guys, and then we go back. Let's install my new bidet by Tushy. This package includes the classic bidet, a flexible hose, tank adapter, and a manual. First, identify your workstation and read the manual to double check your work plan. Start by turning off the water, then unscrew the toilet seat. Remove the seat and add your new bidet right onto it. Screw it all together, attach the hose and the adapter accordingly with your toilet, run a quick test, and that's it. That was quick and easy, and it's coming from a professional handyman. No more need for wipes or paper, just enjoy more happy pooping times with Tushy. Alright, so that video basically explain how easy it is to install this type of equipment. It's actually really easy to transform any type of toilet into a very upscale type of toilet, I guess. So if you have a very basic toilet and you want to make it look more upgraded, this is honestly one of the best ways to do it, in an affordable way as well. We're gonna go over prices later. But honestly, this is the first one that I got. It is the bamboo handle one. I believe this is it's called the Tushy Classic 3.0 with the bamboo knot, which is honestly really cute and very easy to use. This one actually retails for $119. So you guys saw on the video, it comes with a really nice package. It comes with instructions and everything. And of course, this is the little hose that it comes with. It comes with the attachment and everything. It's very self-explanatory. You just go down there and you attach this to your screw, etc. It comes with the little plastic things. It comes with the little tube, like tube tape and everything. So everything's basically there. It explains you all the instructions, make life very easy. And I like the fact that honestly, this attachment actually goes into your toilet seat. So it is really good. And even though I'm not gonna lie, this one's installed in my old house, and look, like it looks like I have not even been used. So I really like the fact that like, hey, even though it was literally, installed and there was a screw here and everything, now it looks like it's still new. And I like the fact that actually feels like it's going to last quite a long time. So the quality is there. Of course, this is plastic, whatever. But if you actually compare your toilet seat on everything, this is kind of like the same material that it is, unless you have like a porcelain toilet, then I don't know what. I mean, like a porcelain seat or something. But this is technically the same material as a regular toilet seat. But it blends in really nicely. Of course, the bamboo really adds a little bit of a touch to it. It does feel very expensive, I have to say, because it is bamboo, so it's kind of like, ooh. So if you have like nice decor that matches your bamboo, I think this will be kind of a great thing for you. Of course, they do have different attachments like handles and things like that, so you kind of want to like play with that. This is a little bit more on the pricey side because I think because of that bamboo. But besides that, it works really fine. The little water dispenser is just very basic. It kind of goes down when you activate it, and then of course, depending on how fast you want it or whatever, it will adjust to that. And also, it has a little spray angle thing, so you can, like, if you want it more up or lower, this will adjust as well. It works really fine and easy. Of course, this one doesn't have the heated one. This is the classic one. This is just the regular one, so you don't need any cables or anything because it's basically, you just go straight from your water. So if you don't like cold water, this might not be a thing for you. You might want to invest in a little more like the temperature control one or things like that, but they do require you to have a plug nearby and things like that, so keep those things in mind. Well, that was my thoughts about the Tushy one. Now let's go open the new one. Now we have a Luxe Bidet, which I'm not gonna lie, I did pick on this many times ago, but you know what? I thought it would be nice for you guys to see me unbox it as well. So let's just go right into it. Like I said, this is the Luxe Bidet. This is the NEO 185. This one retails for $85.99, and this is the color Pearl Gray. So this one is a lot more affordable than the Tushy one. And right off the bat, you can tell everything comes intact. I will have to say that the presentation between Tushy and this one, Tushy tends to be a lot more better because they came in a bigger box. It actually came like nicely packed. And so basically the luxury was there. Meanwhile, this one, it comes in a plastic, kind of like ready to go. I mean, you kind of get what you pay for. Of course, everything is wrapped up individually. And it comes with instructions and coupons and whatever, right? So it's very basic, nothing out of the ordinary here. All right, so here is a Tushy. I have not even opened this, but I can tell you that, it does feel very similar right off the bat. It seems like it's very, the same quality as the other one. But I do have to say that this one feels a little more, even though from the outside it does feels like the same type of plastic, but for some reason this one does feels a little bit more like if I drop it, it might break. Type of situation. All right, so let's just open this. Okay. Yep. It does feel like if I'll drop this, it might fall. But I will have to say, this one's actually quite nice. It does have two different types of dispensers because it does comes with two different types of pressure. So we have the water pressure, which is right here. That's how much. And then we also have the angle that you want. You want the nozzle clean or you want the front to wash. So this one does give you a little bit two options. So for that, always for this one. All right, it does kind of like a okay, this is interesting. Actually, the attachments are not actually attached to the actual product. It actually comes separately, so you can actually attach to them directly as a nut like that, or you can just take them out. I guess easy access, I guess, I don't know, but I mean, it doesn't really make a difference if it is on or not. Still gonna go there regardless, so whatever on that part. Okay, now for the adjustments, I would have to say that this one might get extra points compared to the Tushy, and the only reason why is because the Tushy did not come with tools. Meanwhile, this one, it came with tools, which is very, very, very well thought, because I'm not gonna lie to you, like, it was kind of easy for me to install it because I already have this type of tools in my toolbox. But I know a lot of people don't even know what these are called or don't even own a toolbox. So if you're someone who doesn't even have any tools and things like that, and they already giving you the attachments and the these tools already for you to just access to it, whatever, And mind you, this is plastic, but it's like heavy duty plastic. So I mean, these are gonna go in my toolbox because I do find this very, very accessible, really nicely. And honestly, the fact that this came with it, and mind you, this was only like $46, right? Yeah, basically $46. It's not bad. And another thing that I'm looking at here, which I didn't notice before, is the fact that the attachment is actually like I guess this is copper or something, but it is more heavy duty than this plastic thing. You see, this is plastic, this is not. This is $46, this was $120. So those are things to keep in mind. Okay, another one. Oh, well, obviously another thing that I noticed is the size of this thing. I mean, I compare those two. Like, this one is not even on the screen anymore. This is like almost half of it. So if you do have a very long attachment or something, and yeah, so you kind of want to be careful with this. I'm not sure if you can actually order this, you know, specifically at a specific size, but if you don't, I don't know what to tell you. And another thing that I'm noticing right now, oh my god, I am okay. You know what? I think I have a favorite so far. I have not even opened this, but now that I'm looking at the little details, is what makes it. This one has a little bit of attachment here that literally hooks up into the actual screw and helps you screw it in without having the need to use the tool. Genius. Genius. So make it so friendly to just be installed. And it has it on the other side too. It has the little thing. The other one doesn't have that. You actually have to use your tools that they didn't even come with. Oh my god, did I just have a favorite? I was not sure what I was gonna do. I thought I was gonna like both of them, but now with the whole installation and everything, it's making my little geek and you know, DIY person really happy right now. All right, so for this one, it has the attachment right here, and let's talk about the handles. So of course, this one has two. This one, which is the Tushy one, technically also has two. It has the you know, the roller for the pressure, and then it has this little one which is going to pull in and pull out, and that will, you know, adjust the water splinter. And meanwhile, this one has technically the same thing. It's just a little more easy accessible. I'll have it backwards. Oh, there goes. You know, they'll have the water pressure right on top, and then on the bottom you also have whether you want the frontal or the gear. So basically, this is what helps navigate the little spray situation. And like I said, this one has the little, both of them, and of course, you know, this the pull out, and it will spray it nicely adjustable, which is kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. And oh, I like this. So what this is basically, well, the way it goes on the toilet. So actually, this is something that I never seen and I didn't know it was going to come with. So basically, the way you install it in the toilet, it will be like this, right? So this cover stays like this. So it only opens up, it only goes down and spray when it's time to use. Otherwise, it was just close and it stay closed, so it doesn't, you know, spray or anything, and you know, it doesn't affect the actual adjustment on side. Because I'm not gonna lie, if things does get inside, it will be kind of annoying to clean because it has a lot of different rounds and, you know, little departments inside. So if someone's cleaning the toilet or something like that, this will be so annoying to clean. Meanwhile, you have the little guard situation here, so if something gets on here, it will be better to just wipe it out and clean it rather than to do this in the inside. And I think that's so genius, I'm not gonna lie. Meanwhile, the Tushy one doesn't have that, and it goes like, how did this one goes? Yeah, this one goes like this, and you can see this one doesn't have anything. So for example, if it does get dirty or whatever, it's gonna stay in this little, you know, gaps and things like that, which is kind of annoying to clean. But honestly, I didn't even think of that. That is so genius. I'm telling you, the Luxe one has really nice, like, little details that just want to like, oh, that is so smart. But like I said, the quality is definitely there. So really depends on kind of what you're looking for. All right, so now let's talk the real tea. So we have here, they have the Tushy Classic 3.0, which retails for $120, which is the one technically that I've been using and the one that I show you guys how to install and things like that. The other one is basically the same thing, but the other one is called the Luxe Bidet Neo 185 and retails for $46, technically $45.99. All right, so I'm pretty sure it's very simple what I'm going to say, but I do feel like I am in love with the Luxe Bidet a lot more than I am with the Tushy. Of course, there are some major differences. One is the quality. I do feel like the Luxe one, I feel like if you drop it, it might break. But I love the fact of how many different departments, little details it has for the installation, coming with the tools and everything. And for $86, basically, I am not bad about it. Like if you are looking for to get started with bidets and you don't want to break your money and you just want to try it or things like that, I think definitely go with the Luxe. The duvet, I think that's gonna be great for your money and everything. And then of course, if you want to upscale a little better, if you are more of a professional, let's put it this way, I will definitely suggest getting the Tushy one. They do have different adjustments, different qualities, different attachments for the bamboo handle and things like that. So those are just like two little things to look into. But of course, if you want to like splurge a little more and you do like the bamboo handle, it might go well with your bathroom or things like that, then I will suggest that one. Of course, at the end of the day, they both do the same thing. They're both meant to be there to clean you and to be nice and give you that nice experience. The only difference is actually almost $60, but whatever. But honestly, I just wanted to share those two with you. Of course, I am going to be installing both of them because I have two bathrooms in this place and I really want to be able to experience that nice and cleanliness, etc. So yeah, so what you guys end up liking, please let me know in the comments below. What are your thoughts about these two different bidets, are whether you like the bamboo one or if you like the Luxe one, and actually let me know why, because I'm kind of interested to see what you guys are thinking about that. All right, and those two are just my thoughts about those two things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.